Today we take a look at the Rolfstone Neo wireless earbuds that I've been using for the past 2 weeks. These are sold for under €100 and I was already impressed by the previous version, the Rolfstone Nova earbuds, which I still use today. And that's why Rolfstone sent me this new version to see what has been improved. The Rolfstone Neo earbuds come in a nice packaging and are presented more neatly than the previous version. The packaging contains a manual, a box of accessories and of course the Neo earbuds with the charging case. Charging is still done through a micro USB cable and you get 2 extra sizes of ear tips. Before we take a look at the Rolfstone Neo earbuds, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and to show your support for the channel. The first thing I noticed is that the battery life has improved with the Rolfstone Neo earbuds. You can enjoy 6 hours of music and with a charging case you can add another 24 hours, which adds up to a total of 30 hours music playtime. When both batteries are empty, it takes 50 minutes to charge the earbuds and 1 hour to charge the charging case. The earbuds can be easily placed in the charging case by a magnet on both sides and there's no left or right charging point, so you can randomly place them back in. The earbuds are IP64 certified, so they are sweat and rain resistant, which is important if you want to use them on the go or while exercising. They have Bluetooth 5.0 and it is very easy to connect them to your phone. Just turn on Bluetooth on the device you want to pair with the earbuds. Hold the button on one of the earbuds for 3 seconds and the name Rolfstone Neo will appear in the Bluetooth list. Select the earbuds in the list and confirm you want to pair them. After a few seconds, they are connected. The first days I mainly used them at home and they were perfect. In the beginning it was getting used to how to put them in your ear, but you get used to that. As soon as they are well placed, they reduce ambient sound very well and the sound quality is top in this price range. The bass and vocal sound even better compared to the previous version. But as soon as I was running with them or went to the gym, they were disappointing. I know they are not meant for sports, but with average exercise they sit loose and almost fall out. Because of this I miss the ear hooks the Rolfstone Nova earbuds have. The weight of the Neos can have something to do with them getting loose quickly, because they are very small and light. And outside of sports I still dislike the fact that you have to press the earbuds for the controls. This pushes the earbuds extra into your ear, which sometimes feels uncomfortable and annoying. A touch function or a lighter button would be a better option. But I'm very pleased with the charging case. It is very compact and it looks great. With the Neo charging case a battery indicator has been added and it also shows if the earbuds are charging or if they are already fully charged when they are in the case. So as I mentioned before, the button on both earbuds allows you to manage your music or calls in multiple ways. Press 1 time for play or pause your music. Press twice for the next song. Press 3 times for the previous song. Press 1 time for accept or end a call. And hold it 2 seconds to reject a call. But which one is better in the end? The Neos or the Novas? The Rolfstone Neo earbuds are sold for €99 while the Rolfstone Nova earbuds are sold for €79. It's a small difference, but actually they are both for different purposes. The Neos are a lot smaller and more compact and are ideal for on the road or at home where you want to get isolated from your surroundings. That's why I think they also have better passive noise cancelling. Do you want to use them for sports? Please don't. Then I really advise you to go for the Rolfstone Novas. They are a little bit bigger, they are more sturdy and they have ear hooks. A downside of the charging case from the Rolfstone Neo earbuds is that it closes quickly and it doesn't stay open as with a Nova's charging case, so it can be difficult to put your earbuds in the charging case while you are walking or moving or something. They both have a micro USB connection and the Neo's charging case is a lot smaller. It also has a much better battery indicator. And based on sound they are almost the same, but I think the Neos have better passive noise cancelling. Because of that, the bass and the vocals are much better compared to the Novas. So in general, Rolfstone has made several improvements in battery life, design and the battery indicator. Despite this, I still prefer the Rolfstone Nova Wireless Earbuds. I like the Neos and they are suitable for people on the go or using them alone at home, but I like the Novas because you can also use them perfectly for sports. So if you're looking for wireless earbuds for sports, I definitely recommend the Rolfstone Nova earbuds. In case you don't use wireless earbuds for sport, I do recommend the Rolfstone Neo earbuds because they have a better passive noise cancelling in comparison with the Rolfstone Nova earbuds. If you want to know more about the Rolfstone Nova earbuds, check out my review I made a couple of months ago. Let me know in the comment which wireless earbuds you use, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video. Have a nice day.